Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to split a string and preserve space. First, I'm going to import select module. So it's gonna be. We are going to use selects.split instead of string.split method, and this will be our string s1 and we want to split this string and also preserve the spaces, so we are going to call selects.split on it. Need to pass the string selects.split and pass in s1, and I'm going to pass into print function so we can print the result. And now going to save and run our program. And we can see the result over here. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.